Login failed on SoFi Wealth Fix. You open the SoFi Wealth app, ready to track your automated investments or check your balance, but instead of your portfolio, you see login failed. Frustrating, right? But here's the surprising truth. This is one of the easiest issues to fix once you know what's going on. First, check your internet connection. SoFi Wealth needs a stable, secure connection to sync your financial data. If you're on public Wi-Fi or Bing, try turning those off. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to test your network. Next, update your app. Go to your App Store or Google Play, search SoFi, and hit Update. Outdated versions can't always connect to SoFi's latest security protocols. If that doesn't help, clear the cache. On Android, go to Settings app SoFi Storage Clear Cache. On iPhone, delete and reinstall the app. This refreshes your login data and removes any temporary glitches. Another common issue: incorrect login credentials. If you changed your SoFi password recently, make sure you're using the updated one. Avoid using autofill, as it might still store old data. If you've activated two-factor authentication, make sure your verification code is correct and current. Expired codes are one of the top reasons users see a login failure message. Still stuck? It might be a temporary issue with SoFi servers. Wait 10-15 minutes, then try again. You can also visit the SoFi website to confirm if the problem is app-specific. Finally, if nothing else works, tap Forgot Password and reset your credentials. That usually resolves the issue instantly. So next time your SoFi Wealth app says login failed, don't panic. With a quick check of your internet, a fresh update, or a password reset, you'll be back managing your automated investments and tracking your financial growth with confidence.